Hello, my name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Logo Leads, and I believe my wife Megan spoke with Christy recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently and how our builder stacks up to its competition. In this video, I'll go over a few specifics on search engine optimization, and I'll show you how to beat your competitors online and what benefits that can have for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. Got a few things to go over today. First, it's going to be website content, including keywords, backlinks, and then some additional strategies to get you guys to rank in the Austin area. Now, content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you want it to be stuff with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like remodelers, Austin, Texas, or home builders, Round Rock, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will be the one that pops up. Now, looking at your website, it is obviously a very clean and professional site. Either you have someone that is familiar with website design or you've outsourced this to pay someone to do it. But it is a very good looking site. The demonstration and the portfolios that y'all have on here are very nice. Internal linking is very good. So all these clickable links that take you to separate back pages. With regard to your, we can call it the service page, but either new construction or remodeling, I would suggest definitely listing out some different items as far as the remodeling process goes. So whether y'all do strictly, bathroom remodels or kitchen remodels, or y'all only do the whole package kind of remodel, like gutting a house. And then the same thing with the new construction, you have like a little blurb here, but including some pictures and examples of different maybe styles that y'all follow or just success stories in the past. Also on your homepage, I would highly suggest including some testimonials and customer reviews. Those can go a long way with building trust as visitors to your site. But the main thing that I would say that you'd want to focus on is building out your content on your front page and your separate back pages for new construction and remodeling. Again, 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is ideal because what that does is it allows you to target and place those keyword and keyword phrases throughout the homepage organically. What we suggest is keeping about one keyword phrase per 100 to 150 words of content. And what that does is it allows Google to read through your site, not see that a bunch of keywords are crammed together in a paragraph, and actually view it as an authoritative source of information. That's what people are searching for. They either want information or they want services. And so you want to be that leading source when it comes to either new construction or remodeling or renovations or all the other services that you provide. So you'd want to do something similar on your back pages for construction and remodeling. Again, targeting keywords, building about 100 to 150 words of content around those keywords, being sure to target the highest volume keywords as well. Those will go a long way with building out the website. But otherwise, it is a very nice looking website. You have videos on here and so on and so forth. Now, the next thing I wanted to talk to you about is backlinks. Now, the thing with Google is it's like a popularity contest because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you, the quality of those websites, and how closely related they are to the actual industry or services you provide. So you're going to get a lot more power and influence from a backlink that's related to your industry. For example, a remodeling blog that features or mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services. Again, something that has to do with what you offer. You get a lot more power and influence from a backlink like that than, say, like your local Domino's Pizza. Now, a tool that we use to measure and gauge a site's health, as well as backlinks, keywords, traffic, so on and so forth, is called Ahrefs. I went ahead and plugged in your homepage here, and you do have some metrics to report. You have 31 referring domains, so 31 websites pointing back to you over 1,700 times, which is great. You are targeting 118 keywords, which I'll look into in a second. And that's yielding an organic traffic of 31 unique visitors to your site over the past month. Again, that's over the past month. Taking a look at your backlink profile, it could be stronger because this URL rating distribution, this just rates the quality of the backlink. 98% of them are in this bottom tier here. You want to shoot for something closer to the 20s, 30s, and 40s. You have to start paying for these up here, which you want to try to avoid as much as possible to keep costs down. So that would be a suggestion, is to go after some higher quality backlinks. Then on your organic keywords, a lot of the stuff that you're ranking for is going to be your name. That's where you're getting the majority of your traffic. So R builders, Mark builders, RNA builders, Mark builders, so on and so forth. You do have builders in Austin, Texas here. I will note that the Austin, Texas market for new builds, building homes, custom homes, it is absurdly difficult. So it would take A, quite a while to rank for it, and B, it would take probably quite a bit of money to rank for it. So what I would suggest, and I'll dive into this deeper, is targeting some of the outer areas of Austin to go after that. Taking a look, and I can just show you here, this is one of your top competitors in the Austin area, New Home Source. I guess they have a branch in Austin, the Austin area. You'll see they only have 41 backlinks for 2,600, 41 domains for 2,600 backlinks, but they're getting almost 900 on their organic traffic. And that's because they're ranking so well for those specific keywords. Builders in Austin, Texas, Austin home builders Austin. You can see the trend there. But you want this number, this KD number, to be as close to 0 as possible. The higher it is, the more difficult it is to rank for. So something to keep in mind. Now, I didn't want to take a look at the remodeling side of Austin, which is much, much more manageable. This is your top competitor for remodeling in Austin. And again, over 3,000 backlinks, 500 domains, organic traffic about 600 over the past month. And the keywords that they're ranking for are going to be remodeling Austin, Texas, remodelers Austin, Texas. And you'll notice this difficulty is much, much more manageable. Still on the more difficult side for some of them, but again, closer to 0 is key here. So as far as strategy goes, what we would employ, or what we suggest that our clients employ, is taking a look at the backlink profile that your top competitors have for the different services, replicating them for yourself. Obviously, we're going to shoot for the higher quality ones, and then add on a 20 to 30% cushion. Aside from that, if you wanted to try and target the Austin home builder market, your best bet is going to be this right here, this what's called a Google Map Pack. And all this is optimization of your Google My Business and obtaining citations. And citations are just the name, address, and phone number of your business listed across the various directories online. That's going to be Angie, Home Advisor, Yelp, Facebook, anywhere where you can just list, again, the name, address, and phone number of your business. You want to have more than this top one here, Verde Builders. At the very least, you can maybe get at the top here, get some traffic in that regard while you're building up your backlink base for actually organic traffic from the organic searches, which are down here. So that was a lot of information. If you've stuck around this long for the video, I really appreciate it. I do think that there's a lot of potential in the Austin area for y'all based on the services that you provide. And if you'd like to discuss it further, we'd be happy to help. Megan is going to be your point of contact. Her number is 210-865-0718. Thank you so much for watching.